If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Compass Latitude in bright white. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tinted sunscreen glass, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 49,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SiriusXM satellite radio, speed control, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8332A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.